Ravana Waterfall, also known as Ravana Ella Falls, is a popular scenic attraction located near Ella, Sri Lanka. The waterfall stands approximately 25 meters (82 feet) high and cascades from an oval-shaped concave rock outcrop. It is formed by a tributary of the Kirindi Oya river and is considered one of the widest waterfalls in Sri Lanka. The site is part of the Ravana Ella Wildlife Sanctuary and is situated about 6 kilometers from the Ella railway station, easily visible from the main road between Ella and Wellawaya. A key feature of Ravana Falls is its connection to the Indian epic, the Ramayana. Legend says that King Ravana hid Princess Sita in caves behind this waterfall. The waterfall's flow varies seasonally. It is most powerful and resembles an areca flower with withering petals during the wet season, approximately October to January, while water volume reduces significantly in the dry season. The area is a popular spot for both tourists and locals to relax and enjoy the natural surroundings.